it's loaded. See it's loaded. See the time down there? This one's still loaded. This one's still loaded. Now mind me showing y'all this, and y'all looking at the time, make sure y'all watch the time stamp. So you can know if you're looking at a lie or not. Okay, so it should have updated. And this is what they're showing now. Oh, and that happened. Now watch this. It's updated. So we're gonna take it because we need a scientist to look at this time and put these two together. See if it's this past, the sun, corona mass ejection.
So this centerpiece here is the sun, right? Okay, and these are obviously the flares.
See, when that did that, when that popped, this did this here. When that happened, that happened. When that orb flew by.
I'm jumping between parts here, which is quite annoying because he posted me on so many, and then he posted somebody else, and I'm trying. He doesn't say which part it is. Okay, so this is the sun, this is Earth, and this is the flare, right?
Mass ejection. We in the red. See the time? When that orb flew by, it made the sun do a corona mass ejection. When the corona mass ejection did that, now it's coming towards us. And that's what y'all looking at in the other video. This is just a top view of what y'all was looking at. So it ain't showing the orb flying by in this.
Do you remember that orb that flew by?
This past, the sun, corona mass ejection.
Now, something else happens in a bit. Just hold on. I know, it's crazy, but it sort of paints a better picture come the end.
You only see the corona mass ejection happening. So it's going to hit us. Y'all see this, right?
This is the part where he sees something, right?
Watch the star shoot by. Now start over, the star shoot by. Boom, seen it. Then the corona mass ejection. That is what you're looking for. That's what it looked like on the Glasgow C3. Here we go again. Watch this. Blink, the thing shoot by, corona mass ejection. Over here, watch this. See the time? See those black holes? That's the spots that they hit on the sun. Watch the top up here. Watch this. That's the spaceship right there. You seen the spaceship, how fast it moves?
Bear with me on that. Bear with me, okay? Bear with me. I'll slow that down a second. I just want to let the video play.
And once again, they're looking at that to see what it looked like in real time. Okay, you guys, so y'all can have a better idea of what I mean when I say that the orbs are sucking energy from the sun. Okay, listen. Right here, you have the sun. That's in the center. Okay, you got orbs, you got orbs. You got shit flying into it with your orbs. Okay, if you zoom in on this orb right here, this is an orb. Okay, see those lines right there? If you pay attention to those, because I've been studying and studying and studying this, okay, watch this. Every time this long line, watch it ain't touching right here, it ain't touching the sun. And when it gets in the sun, it's gonna boom, y'all see that? Then the orb is gonna release, it's gonna release. Not just the time, right here, so y'all can see the time.
So basically, I think what he's claiming is these solar flares happen when an orb draws energy from the sun. I'd love to know exactly. I mean, he's saying this is an orb. Like, have you got any other ideas of what this is? It could be something well known.
By me showing this, I'm saying it's the path that it made, and that thing that's hitting the sun, that's coming in and out, is sitting right here hitting the sun. That's what we're looking at right there.
See this part here, what he's pointing to, right? That reminded me of something, and I'm going to show you again in a bit. I'm sorry, I'm doing this all. I'm going to show you in a bit. I'm going to show you in a bit, but I am going to, okay? Because I don't want to back and forth between these videos because we'll end up losing track. Okay, so we've got that gentleman who's basically saying these solar flares are when orbs are taking energy from the sun, okay? Which made me think of something that Luke from Interdimensional Discussions found out, okay? Take a listen to this, and it's to do with solar flares.
Down and analysing the data of crop circles, today I have discovered something incredibly profound. Every single crop circle from the 2024 period and onwards has appeared after a solar flare, okay? 19th of May, right? A solar flare captured by NASA's Solar Dynamic Observatory. The crop circle I visited on May 15th, okay? So here we go, an X2.7 class solar flare on May 14th and reported on the morning of the 15th. This is when this crop circle appeared as well. 11th of April, this year in Dorset, a X1.1 solar flare from Sunspot region 4086. This bad boy appeared. Now, two very similar crop circles that appeared in Warminster on August 8, 2024. It appeared after a solar flare, moderate 1.97 flame, and the second one, which is the more intricate one above, appeared on August 29th, 2024. Watchers observed a series of powerful solar flares between Saturday, August 27 and Monday, August 29th, the most powerful of which registered an M8 class flare that occurred on Monday 8 at 7:07 AM. 28th of July, 2024. Okay, so this one came from Sutton, Scotland, Hampshire. The sun emitted a strong solar flare peaking at 10:37 PM on July 28th, 2024. Right, very interesting. Roman Road, Wiltshire. 23rd of July 2024, a significant solar flare occurred on July 23rd, 2024. The Solar Orbiter SO-10 spacecraft observed an X-14 class solar flare. Right? Badbury Rings, Dorset. Okay, Friday, 19th of July. Solar flare activity has been moderate levels for the past 24 hours. The largest solar event of the period was an M3 event observed at the 19th, of July. Stonehenge, 14th of July 2024. The solar flare from the sunspot AR3738 occurred late Saturday night, July 13th at 10:34 p.m. And then this was reported on the 14th. 30th of June 2024. We have Clapham Oakley, Bedfordshire. 30th of June 2024. A solar flare occurred on the 30th of June 2024, specifically a moderate M1.99 class flare, and it was recorded at 6:57. 30th of June 2024. Stonehenge, Wiltshire. Again, a solar flare occurred on the 30th of June 2024, specifically a moderate M1.99 class flare, much like the last one we saw was recorded at 6:57. Now, if you notice, the solar flare that happened on this day and on the Clapham Oakley, they are exactly the same day. And then both of these crop circles appeared at the exact same time, babe. Now, the first one of 2024, 12th of June 2024 in Windmill,